to find the area of a triangle, you simply need the base and the height. But this triangle does not have any height because this is a slant height. This is the base is given, but you don't know the real height. So you have to give it a height. This is the height, which is at right angles. Then this height has perpendicularly divided this side and this side into two parts. So since the base is 18, here is going to be 8 and here is going to be 8. Since the base is 16, dividing the 16 by 2, you get 8 and 8. So you now form a triangle like this, where here is 8, here is 10. So our height can be obtained using Pythagoras Theorem. And since it's not the hypotenuse that we are looking for this side, so we have to subtract. So from Pythagoras Theorem, h squared is equal to 10 squared, take away 8 squared, and 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. Take away 8 squared, which is 8 times 8, 64. When you subtract, you are getting 36. Then to get the value of h, you take the square root of both sides. And you've seen that h is 6 centimeters. That's the height. Therefore, the required area is half times base times height. So area will now be half times the base, which is 16, original base 16, then times the height, which is now 6. So area will be half of 16, which is 8 times 6. And of course, 8 times 6 will give us 48 centimeters squared. And that is the area of this particular triangle. So we have to clean here and solve the second one. So for the second one, again, it doesn't have any height. You have to bisect. Oh my God. This is so different in the sense that before you must bisect the triangle into two parts like this, you must ensure that this side and this side are the same thing. Just like in the first question we solved, where here was 10 and here was 10. That is, you must have an isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle before you bisect that. So because this side and this side are not the same thing, please do not bisect. So the formula half times base times height cannot help you because you cannot easily get the height. You have an alternative. There is a formula used in getting the area of a triangle, which we call Hero's formula. And the Hero's formula is telling us that area of a triangle is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the formula for Hero's. The Hero's formula, which is very, very vital in the calculation of the area of a triangle. You may be wondering, what is s? S is equivalent to half the sum of the sides, a plus b plus c. So we may assume that this side is a, this side is b, and this side is c, for instance. So with that, let us get the s. So s is now half into a is 6 plus b, which is 7, plus c, which is 4. When you sum up, s will give us half into 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 4 is 17. And half of 17 is 8.5. That is 8.5, what it's giving us. Then s is 8.5. So our area becomes square root of, seeing s, you put 8.5 for s, into s again is 8.5. Take away a. Our a is 6. Into s again, 8.5. Take away b. Our b is 7. Into s again, which is 8.5. Take away c. Our c is 4. So when you do that, you have a is square root of 8.5 times 8.5 minus 6 is 2.5 times 8.5 minus 7 is 1.5 times, and 8.5 minus 4 is 4.5. So all we have to do is to multiply the terms in the bracket, the numbers. So we have 8.5 times 2.5 times 1.5 times 4.5, and that will give us 143.4375. And finally, we take the square root. So the square root is giving us 11.98 centimeter squared, and that is the area of this particular triangle. So if you've enjoyed what you've watched, kindly subscribe to my channel, follow me on all social media at Esomnofo Online Math, so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is uploaded. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you.